was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to.
So now that we got the buttercream all smooth, it is ready to go in the refrigerator so it can get nice and cold. Next, we're going to add the fondant to this cake. So if you've ever struggled with putting fondant on a cake, I believe this is one of the best ways to put fondant on a cake. I would say about 99% of the cakes that I cover in fondant are paneled. So you want to start off with a flat piece of fondant rolled out, and you want to make sure that the circle is larger than the diameter of the cake. So we're covering a 6-inch cake, so this is probably about 8 inches.
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leaving my heels shoes. 'Cause everywhere you're looking at me, I'm looking up at you. And I don't give a damn, shawty, watch me knock your boots off. And I'ma love you, girl, who you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need.
So now we are all done. I absolutely love, love, love how this two-tier Hello Kitty cake came out. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial just as much as I enjoy creating this cake with you, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see me create a specific theme, let me know what type of cake you want me to create next in the comments. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notifications on when I post my next cake creation. It was so much fun creating with you guys. See you in the next video.